First, take out of all items from the package. Packaging includes instructions, monitor, video cable, cigarette lighter adapter, camera, T-tabs, power cord, and strap. Pick up the monitor. You can hook it on the original mirror with 2 straps. The packaging is also equipped with 2 straps to prevent break. Pick up the video cable. There are 2 4-pin connectors and 1 DC connector. Connect one end of the video cable to the 4-pin connector on the monitor. Pick up the camera. The angle of the camera can be flexibly adjusted. Tear off the protective film on the camera before use. Connect the other end of the video cable to the camera. Connect one end of the cigarette lighter to the DC connector on the video cable. Plug the adapter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. The test finished. Now disconnected all the wires. Connect the 4-pin connector on the side of the DC connector to the camera. Connect the 4-pin connector on the other side to the monitor. Connect the DC connector to the power cord. Red is positive, black is negative. Please test positive and negative poles in advance. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the reverse light tail light license plate light. The red wire connects to the positive pole of the reverse light tail light license plate light. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Press the plus key to turn off on the guideline. When the guideline appears on the screen, press the N key. The H appears on the screen. Press the plus key to move the guideline left and right. Press the N key. The V appears on the screen. Press the plus key to adjust the height of the guideline. Press the N key. The W appears on the screen. Press the plus key to adjust the width of the guideline. Press the M key to switch to brightness. Press the plus key to adjust brightness. Press the N key to switch to contrast. Press the N key to switch to zoom. Press the plus key to switch screen size ratio. Press the N key to switch to mirror. Press the plus key to turn on and off the mirror function. There is a white and green light on the camera extension wire. The monitor is the mirror mode by default. Use the tool to cut the white thin line and restart the monitor. The monitor automatically switches to the positive image mode. Use the tool to cut the green thin line. The LED light of the camera will not light up. Press the N key to switch to language. Press the plus key to select the language you need. Press the N key to switch to reset. Now introduce the function of reset. Presses the N key to switch to brightness. Press the plus key to adjust the parameter of the brightness to 0. Presses the N key to switch to reset. Press the plus key to turn on the reset function. After the reset is successful, the monitor will restore the factory settings.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-tabs. T-tabs has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.